our plank, especially if we're dealing with some more neck tension and shoulder issues, we want to make sure we're not getting kind of a bunch up and a collapse into this position. A couple ways we can arrive at kind of correcting this. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure we have an exhale, kind of ribs down, make sure we're kind of working through our midsection. We can always do some of our 4-point breathing to make sure we're activating all of our corners to make sure we're in touch. If we don't have this connection happening here, we're not going to have this connection through the lower shoulder blade. If we don't have this connection, everything's going to be going up into our neck. So when we get into this position, make sure we have our connection through our midsection, ribs down, breathing through. If we're having trouble popping up here to a certain degree, we can almost do like a little bit of tricep extension here. And the best way we can do to check this is just a simple head turn. A little neck motion side to side. We feel tension up top, little pressure, drop it down, change our breathing. We can also go onto the side. And when we go to here, we want to see a nice natural arch form. We don't want to feel too much of a collapse or shrug up. Once again, we can put a little head turn into it. And onto the other side. Make sure we feel a nice natural automatic arch form underneath. We need to do a little tricep extension. And try our head turn side to side, making sure we keep this keystone intact. So as we go across, we can almost say, I want this to work. Make sure that's intact. And see if our tension cuts down from our shoulder blade down to our body more automatically just by hitting those oblique corners. That lets us know that it's a little more of a core thing than like a shoulder blade neck type thing in the big picture. So a couple form points for our rolling plank. Hope you enjoy it. Have yourself a good day.